Hello YouTube. Figured I'd do just a short video on a little project that I just did. I didn't show how to or anything like that because you could do this 1,000 ways. What I have here is a Yaesu FTM-400 VHF UHF radio, and then a HF radio down here. That's a Yaesu FT-891. They're both mobile. I have the heads up on a Lido max mount, I think it is. But anyway, and then I also put a couple of, I think they're MFJ speakers, DX, let me see here, Engineering's got their names on them, but I think they're, who knows who makes them. Right now it's kind of roughly put together, but for right now I think I'm just going to leave it because I've just kind of run out of energy to improve it any. And I'm sure I could do a few things to it to make it better, but everything comes into the center console here. The power does. I got the power through the kind of the fender, through the door, that little rubber gasket that goes between the door and the body that has the window and lock wires in it. Punched a little hole in that, stuck the power through that. It goes up behind the carpet, through the center console, up above, and into this. Well, I took the outdated CD case out of here, and you can see both of my radios are down in here, and it's a rat's nest of wires. I'll probably see if I can get that straightened out a little bit better, but for right now it's working. And down here I have wires heading up to a tuner, and this had a, like I said again, an outdated cassette player in it. I do have the mounting thing, and I do have the bezel for the cassette player that I'm probably going to put back in here and let that just kind of stick out the front. The microphone wires come out of the radios in the front. I've got speakers mounted, like I said before, speakers mounted before on the back. Now this mount was actually kind of meant to go vertical. I decided to go horizontal with it, and then mount the speakers on the back. And then the mounts for my radios actually came with the radios, and I used that. And then I don't know if you can see how I mounted it through this kind of multi-hole mount, head mount that Lido sent me. I can take this head off if I want to. Like I said, this mount is really pretty cool. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not exactly happy with where it ended up on the floor here, but I'm going with it. So I'm just going to show you the rest of it here. I'll pop the hood open. Bear with me. So I got these studs that replace the battery bolts and the factory battery bolts, and put fuses and stuff in line, and I do have a set of power poles, Anderson power poles right here, hooking that up. It's fuse, 30 amp fuse. I'll shut this. Thanks for the noise, huh? I have a UHF VHF 2 meter 77 meter antenna, mount antenna. I believe it's a diamond, I think it's M77 or something like that. Don't quote me. I got another diamond mount. I believe it's a diamond back here. K400 S something, and it's got the 13-foot tiny little coax. And I have a Shark Distributing 20 meter. I've got a collection of these. I got an 80, I got a 40, I got a 20, I have a 17, and I have a 10 meter. The 10 meter I had actually played around with and doubled it as a CB antenna also. But you can see how I routed the wires. Routed it down here. Got some of these little GB clips, girder bender clips. I believe that's what they are. Stuck it through the trim. Goes down here. Goes through underneath here where the spare tire jack, the jack is, and it goes down through the trim, down along the dog leg here, underneath the carpet, and into the back end of the console. And that was all the farther that went, so I had to get an extension. And the other side here, I'll shut the door here. Yeah, of course I pulled wrong on my piece of plastic here, the floor kick panel. That kind of busted. I'm going to see if I can't buy one of those staplers for plastic. Nephew's got one, maybe I'll use that. Hard to say. Got a few projects I need to do with one of those. Oh, here, the back door here. Right now, it's kind of kinked up and stuff, but I'm just going to use the back there, running underneath the floor mat and into the center console. Got another picture from the back side of this Lido mount. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's the Lido Max. I haven't taken it down the road yet. The two accessories I got for it is a microphone holder. That seems to work pretty well. This Yaesu mic is a little sticky in it. I might take a file to that mount or that deal there and see if I can't get it to loosen up just a bit. And again, how the speakers are mounted and how everything is done. That's about it. What I did for the last week or so, I've just been working on it in between having to work out in the field and having to work at my schools. So it's an old 98 Blazer I got from my sister. She had passed away and I was interested in getting it from her. And the family agreed, so anyway, I ended up with it. A nice little shape. It just turned 100,000. And there we go. My rig right now. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.